Enagic.com USA. Today I'm going to tell you how to take care of your LeveLuk SD501. Okay, stay tuned, but you need to subscribe and hit the notification button below so you can receive my daily videos every single Welcome back. That's my LeveLuk SD501 can machine. And right now it's on clean water button. I just cleaned it a while ago when the thing says notice of cleaning. So I just let the water run through it till it says clean water. But if it says stay on can water 9.5, it will say the same thing. If it's cleaned itself up, and it will say can water 9.5. So as the other two, 8.5 or 8.0. So with that said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. But most problems cause it. Sometimes when it says notice of cleaning, and then you let the water run through till over 5 minutes, that cannot be. In that case, you need to change your filter or clean it with the powder provided in your box. Alright, that's all about it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you receive my videos, my daily videos about everything. Welcome to Game Changer channel. Bye for now.